Moving forward, okay. During the preparation for this show, we were talking about you started working with shoe companies.
Yes.
Okay, what were you doing and who were you working for, and how did you get to that?
We did a lot of accessories and slides for coach
Mm-hmm.
in the last two, 2017, 2018,
So 3 years almost.
3 years,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. But then we stopped. We stopped because I decided that I'm going to go after what I believe in.
Okay, and that's what really caught my attention when we started doing the preparation. How would you word it? What is it that you believe in, and what did you do the things that you do to go after those?
I believe in a good future for our kids and next generations.
Mm-hmm.
And what we're doing now, I think we're destroying our world by its own, by our own hands. And basically, by producing shoes, I understood the level of damage only from the fashion industry. There are many other industries, but because I worked there in both industries, plastic and fashion,
Right.
I understood the level of damage we are doing to our world.
Yeah.
I would say working in plastic, you work with plastic a lot, so you see this.
So you can see how many waste there is.
Right.
And you realize that things need to be changed. And not in 10 years, now. Because in 10 years, it will be too late.
Okay. So what did you do after working with Coach? You mentioned earlier that you decided to stop working with them, and what did you do then?
I started developing a whole line of production from scrap materials.
Scrap
Different-
materials.
Different materials. The main material is leather because we are doing footwear.
Mm-hmm.
So the main scrap material we use is leather. But we also use denim, we also use cotton, we also use fur, not real fur, but
Yeah.
because I'm
everything-
against it, but
Everything the other companies throw
throwing
away,
away, we collect
you pick it up
and we redesign it.
and you make fashion
Yeah,
from that.
yeah.
Wow.
You mentioned something, Ziv, that I did not know, but your factory where you make these products has zero waste.
Zero waste.
Like listen, zero waste, and that was by design.
Yes.
That was your objective, your goal. Everything was planned, done, executed, and geared towards getting to a factory that makes fashion, makes shoes with zero waste. Now, please expand, because this is just, to me, extremely interesting.
Okay. The whole idea was to have zero waste, to work in a circular economy way, and to consume everything, all the waste, to 100%. The problem was, the main difficulty that we had is design. Because sometimes you collect the scrap, you produce, but you still have scrap. And then you produce another product and you still
There's
have
always
scrap.
some waste.
There is always some waste.
Some remains.
Yeah.
Yeah, remains. Right.
At the end, we came in with an idea of, wait a moment, maybe we can use it with the plastic, like a mixture. The first answer I got, no way. Leather burns.
Can't be done.
Can't be done. Plastic injection machine needs at least 120 degrees. And leather burns.
Yeah.
Said, okay, let's try. Different way, different techniques. And we found a way that now we are injecting and making outsoles made of recycled plastic material with all the waste we have after finishing our products, grained and put into the outsole.
So you're mixing plastic and leather,
Yes.
and you're able to inject it to turn it to a point where it can be injected and molded like if it were just plastic.
Yes.
So that way you eliminated all the remains, all the waste.
All the waste.
So
And this is a sorry, you mentioned that this is patented?
Yes, this is
Okay.
patented.
so basically, you get the scrap, you make stuff, you have scrap of the scrap, you make more things, you make scrap of the scrap of the scrap, you inject it with plastic, and you make outsoles.
Yeah.
And that's how you get
Zero waste.
zero. This is very interesting.